Welcome to DeFi Crypto today. All right, we're gonna do something fun today. It's blockchain domains from unstoppabledomains.com. You're gonna say, what the hell is that? Well, one thing I like about crypto is that there's a lot of new technologies that help us fix issues from the old web, for instance, and old technologies. What's nice about this is that if you buy a typical .com, .org, or whatever regular web domain today, you typically have to pay an annual fee just to keep it alive. Okay, and when you stop paying, basically they take the domain away from you and they sell it to someone else or whatever. And it ends up costing a lot of money over time. I mean, if you keep it for 20 years and you pay $10, $20 a year, that's a lot of money. So crypto domains, one of the nice things about them is that you pay for the domains only one time when you buy it. Then it's yours forever unless you give it away to someone else, okay? Which is a pretty nice feature. So if you go on unstoppabledomains.com, the prices start at $20 and they go up from there. And you've got 10 different domains available. Actually, 9 domains available. .blockchain is not yet available. It's coming. They're working on it. And let's just see how it works, and then we'll talk more about it. So let's type something. My nice domain. Okay, so let's search for that and see if it's available. Wow, it's available. So you could buy any of these or all of these. It's up to you. And so you could buy mynicedomain.crypto, for instance. You select it, you add to cart, and you pay for it, and then it's yours. Just want to show you what forms of payments are available. So if we add to cart, got this here, and you can pay. Let's go checkout. All right, you can pay by credit card, PayPal, cryptocurrencies, or the crypto.com app. So that's pretty neat. It gives you a lot of options. So if you want to pay in crypto, you can click on this and you connect your wallet, and there you go. Okay, and you pay $40 plus probably the gas fee, I would think. I haven't done it like that. I prefer to pay by credit card myself. Now, you're going to say, okay, that's nice. I've got a domain. What do I do with it? Okay, well, here's what's neat about domains. Okay, now remember, these domains work with MetaMask. So you typically would install your MetaMask extension. Okay, and when you get an account in MetaMask, it gives you a very long wallet number, and that's difficult to remember. Computers can remember this easily, but it's not not easy for humans to remember. So basically, if you create your own domain, let's go back here and see our domains. So let's say you create your domain and it's called mynicedomain.crypto, for instance, right? You can connect that to your MetaMask, okay? And instead of giving a very long, complicated number to your friends or business associates or whatever, you can literally use that domain as your wallet address, and you can receive and send funds with it. It's super nice if you want something easy to remember when you perform transactions. Okay, so you could leave that domain in on your web page, in your email, on your invoices, or whatever. Okay, and people can pay you in crypto directly in your wallet using that domain name. I think it's a great idea. Another thing you can do, you can also, let's see, I'm gonna go here. Not yet. You can build a website that connects to your crypto domain name. They have explanations in Unstoppable Domain. They've got a lot of documentation. I'm not going to go through it. You just read that by yourself. And what's nice with Unstoppable Domains, they give you basic templates you can use. So if you have a personal website like this guy, you can have your domain name connected to this, and you put your photo there, and you put like whatever you do. Let's say you're a crypto programmer or whatever. You can write all that nice stuff there. Okay, you can put your business there if you're a consultant or whatever. Okay, now what's nice about this is that nobody can take this down. Okay, because it's on the IPFS. Okay, IPFS, the Interplanetary File System, and it cannot be censored, it cannot be deleted unless you want to do it yourself. Okay, the files are there forever. Okay, basically. So here they explain, and they've got videos on how to build a website. I might make my own video later. I haven't done a website with the domains I bought yet. I might do one for our channel, and you're going to be invited to have a look at it when it's ready. So that's a nice thing. It's like, let's say you talk about a subject matter, or let's say you make videos on YouTube, and for some reason YouTube doesn't like what you're talking about. It doesn't have to be bad or anything. It just, for whatever reason, it doesn't fit into their guidelines or God knows what. Or you're on TikTok or you're on Facebook or whatever, and you want to talk about subject X, and for whatever reason they take it down. Okay, and they tell you, oh no, you're not allowed to publish this. Well, no, you can. You have your own domain on IPFS, and nobody in the world can take it down. That can be a good thing. I don't know, you know. Or also, it's probably, I'm not saying it's hacker proof, but it's probably more difficult for hackers to break into IPFS if it's done properly. That's the feeling I get. We'd have to explore that more in detail. If I know more about it, I'll make a video about it. But in my view, I think once it's on IPFS, it's pretty much there forever. So they've got explanations on how to do this. You can also make money with domains. Okay, there's already like a big market for regular domains. You know, you buy a .com and name, and it's a really cool name, and you think, oh, people are going to want to buy this, and I'm going to charge thousands of dollars for it or whatever. So yeah, you can do that too with crypto domains. Okay, I'll show you examples. Here, Unstoppable Domains sells very expensive domains on auction at OpenSea.io. OpenSea.io is an NFT marketplace. Essentially, when you buy a domain, a crypto domain, whatever the extension is on unstoppabledomains.com, it becomes an NFT. Okay? And you do what you want with it once it's claimed. I'll talk about that later. You buy the domain, you have to claim it. Okay? Once it's claimed, you can associate it with your MetaMask. Okay? and it will appear in your assets as NFT. Okay, so all these are crypto domains that are available for sale. Like this one is really expensive, consess.crypto. Its minimum bid is 32 Ether. Okay. I'm not ready to buy that one, but it gives you an idea. Okay, you could make some money if you've got a really cool, really good domain. Okay, you could sell it and make quite a bit of money. Okay, quite a bit of Ether in this case. Okay, and OpenSea is a place where you could sell it. There's also Rarible. That's another place where a lot of domains are for sale. Okay, these are just examples. Okay, cbdc.wallet, for instance, 4.5 Ether. So whatever, and people can auction, can bid on this, and whoever is the winner of the auction takes the new takes that NFT, and it goes into his wallet. Okay. Oh, the hookup.x, 120 USDC. Wow, that's not so expensive. You could buy that, right? If you want to make a hookup website. Yeah, so I mean, this is a really neat, fun way to make money with crypto. That's not the traditional buy and sell and trade Bitcoin and ETH on the market. Also, you have a lot more control over the price. Okay, if you pay $20 or $40, because most of the domains, let's go back. Most of the domains around $20 or $40. There are some premium domains that go in the thousands of dollars, hundreds and thousands of dollars on unstoppabledomains.com. So if you want to pay premium, you can go premium as well. A nice feature here is that they have a bulk search. So if you've got a CSV file, you can put hundreds and thousands of domains in there, upload it, and if you have the money for it, you can buy hundreds and hundreds of domains. Okay, it will search them, tell you what's available, and you buy whatever you want. So that could be a nice little business where you trade domain names on crypto domain names. Okay, these are what's special about these. These are absolutely unique. Okay, and you only need to pay for them once. Okay, I repeat that. You don't pay annual fees on this. The fees that are involved include the registration here. And once you have, let's have a look at my domains. I'll show you what I got here. So I bought several domains. I like Beyonce, so I put I love Beyonce here. And I bought all the related domains, okay, with the different domain, how do you call this? Extension, the domain extensions. So I got all the domain extensions for this one because I think it's a really good domain name, and I'm probably going to put some or all of them on auction, maybe on OpenSea or Rarible or somewhere else. Now, in order for me to do this, I need to claim the domain with Ethereum, and once you do that, okay, I have to confirm my identity. I'm going to put the authentication code and so on. Once it's claimed, I have to use my wallet again, and I have to pay some Ethereum in order to claim it, and then it's going to be put into my wallet as an NFT, and then I can use it to receive money or send money. I can use it on a website, to create a website, or I can put it on as an NFT for sale on OpenSea or Rarible or whatever. Okay, so those are the possibilities, but you have to pay some gas fee at the moment, and it's not cheap. It's about $35 at the moment. So try to find the time when the Ethereum is not too busy. Once that's done, then you might have to pay for transfer fees or whatnot. So, and you might have to pay also for gas fees once you create the NFT on OpenSea. So you have to keep these in mind. So you pay to register with Unstoppable Domains. You need to pay gas fees to associate it with your wallet, and if you want to sell it on an NFT marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible, you need to pay more gas fees again. So overall, that could be over $100 for one domain. Okay, and then whenever people buy it, they would pay their gas fees to buy it, and so on. So those are some of the fun things you can do. Now there's several applications that are available that work with Unstoppable Domains. So there are various wallets, so you can check if your wallet is in there if you don't use MetaMask. The Brave web browser works with this, and I have OpenSea here. Where? I wanted to show you also the Opera browser works with that. And you can check for the rest. There's a ton of stuff, a ton of applications that work with this. It's really nice. Okay, and what else I wanted to show you? Oh yeah, so this is the page on Unstoppable Domains that help you set up your website. You need to claim your domain first. And to claim your domain, you pay the gas fee for this. It's about $35. Okay, and if you don't have a domain, you search for it and you buy one. And they've got their templates here. Gives you an idea. If you have a coming soon template here. If you want to sell your domain directly from your website, you could do that here using this template. And if you want to use it as a blog, there's a blog template as well. And if you've got your own, if you're really good at this and you know how to set up your website yourself and you don't need a template, well, go for it. They show you how to upload here. You've got all the instructions and everything. So it's not that difficult, and you can set up as many websites as you want. Okay, one for each domain if you wanted, or whatever. Lots of options. So it's a nice way to generate income with crypto that doesn't have to do with buying and selling tokens every day and watching the price and be at the mercy of the market. In this case, you have a bit more control. If you want to sell your domain for 0.1 Ether, you can do that. If you want to sell it for 200 USDC, you can do that. You choose what the price is. Okay? So that's a different way of playing with crypto and making money, which I find very exciting. All right, so that's it for today. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. The Google, YouTube algorithm loves when you click on like. I like that too. And don't forget, there's always my free book. Okay, it's free. You can download it. It shows some of my strategies for making money with crypto. And if you don't want to get it for free, you can pay and go to Amazon. All right, that's it for now. Have a good day. Bye.